Ito yung big difference between former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte versus our current President Bongbong Marcos. This is based on actual interview and parang ambush interview na rin during the calamity. Right? You can hear, feel the difference, and at the same time in terms of paano sila magplano and yung care nila sa taong bayan. Tingnan nyo to.
Mopod, the same na sila.
Mag-overtime sila para Monday ihatid. Yung akin rin.
Monday po lang siya.
Ihatid ko sa inyo Monday. Lunes, 15,000 per family. Tapos, tignan mo. Kawawa itong mga babae. Mahirap talaga. Yung yung building material siguro. Magamit yung yero. Yero ang ginagamit yung atip. Subukan ko magpadala dito. Pati kahoy. May kahoy pa kayo dito? Pwede pa tayong magputol ng kahoy dyan sa bukid? Pwede para pambahay lang. Hindi pang negosyo, ha? Hindi pang laging yan. Iwan ninyo yan sa mga anak ninyo yung kahoy na titira. So, magpadala ko ng mga yero dito. Alam ko man ang ilang ang nasunugan. Bigyan mo lang ako ng July. The whole month of July. Pakumpleto ko yan. Magpadala ako. Patapos na pala ang July. Hindi ko nga alam anong pitsa itong yawa na ito. Makompleto ko yan first week of August. Nandiyan na lahat yan. Ako mismo ang magsama sa bukid magputol ng kahoy. Ihatid ko
cash assistance ang binibigay natin ngayon 5,000 para sa mga partially damaged na bahay at 10,000 para sa completely damaged na bahay. Para meron silang magamit para makapagtayo na naman sila ulit ng bahay. And so that is ongoing now.
Yes, I understand. Nowadays, money is everything. However, if you're helping someone, it should not stop there. Hindi lang yun ang kailangan nila. Tulad ng sinabi nga ni FPRD or Tatay Digong, he provided 15K per houses, right? But it didn't stop there. He knows the fact na kailangan nila ng bahay kasi nga nasunugan yung mga tao doon. And that's urgent kasi may family sila, maapektuhan yung health nila, situation nila, everything. So he decided at that point of time, he decided they can cut the trees for their houses, not for illegal logging, not for business, right? But it's for the purpose of humanity, right? And that's a really, really big help. Pati bubong, lahat, pati pa nga entertainment nila, sabi niya, yung TV, bibigay niya para at least maaliw naman sila konti, pampawala ng stress, right? So when you're going to help someone, even if that person just asking for money, it should not stop there, right? Because yes, yung frontline nila money, but technically it's not just money alone. Even if those people na your friend, your loved ones, your family, those who are asking for money, their money is not just their main problem. There's still a lot underneath that situation, right? That's something that at least you show care for the people that you love or that you want to help. And you can see the difference between these two leaders. That the other one just providing money, he thought that it's already enough. The other one, you can feel the difference of the first of our current president na si Tatay Digong. He showed not just money but a lot of things. For now, let me know. That's my opinion. Let me know what's your opinion. Write down in a comment. For now, cheers. Bye.